I'll show you a couple of samples of a construction sequence and some examples of completed bridges. In this case, this was an 8-span bridge we did in Maine. Typically, I think it was 16 and 18 meter spans. And the reason that Maine selected this was that there was an existing wooden trestle there on the left, and it was load rated to the point where they couldn't actually deliver precast beams on that wooden trestle. So they would have had to build a trestle all the way across the crossing to actually deliver concrete beams. In this case, we could not only could we deliver the beams on the bridge, but we could put 4 on a truck. They still had a barge-mounted crane to do the substructure, so they were able to set the beams, I think about 16 a day, and very rapid erection sequence. You can see the shipping. We've done as many as 8 beams on a truck. Again, very simplistic, just nylon slings, nothing special. We usually fill them, just use a hopper. We have fill points about every, I say every 3 to 4 or 5 meters. And usually if we fill from the quarter points, it flows to the ends, and we can always tell when the grout comes through the shear connector holes that it's completed. This is one where we actually made it continuous for live load over 8 spans. So we used a Freycinet hinge where we had reinforcing steel coming out of the piers, and then there's a closure pour between the beams that gets placed with the deck that gives us our continuity for a continuous bridge. Again, standard details, overhang brackets, scuppers, rebar connectors, and there's a nice view from below.